They promised good governance. And when we talk about the promise to double the minimum wage, I believe even them forget about that. False promise. The music says, who tell lie also. But hear me. They promised good government. But the first thing they did was to treat the taxpayers' money as if it was their own money. And I'm not talking about phone bill, that's bad enough. I am talking about $600 million that was used in a vote buying scheme in the local government elections. The Contractor General investigated. The first thing that is apparent in his investigation is that they misused the law. Emergency procurement is not for deal with bushing. Emergency procurement is for deal with, like when you have hurricane or earthquake or some disaster. Bush not grow up overnight that you can't predict it. Bush is not an emergency. They abandoned all the procurement rules. The cabinet, according to the Contractor General, selected all the contractors, selected all the subcontractors, organized the payments to be made, identified who should be employed, and most of all, the Contractor General says that in his investigations, he believes that members of the cabinet did not tell the truth. Now hear me. Up to now, the Prime Minister who is in charge of them has done nothing to discipline not even one member of the cabinet who the Contractor General said broke the law and told lies. What kind of government is that?